Hi guys, welcome to Budget PH. My name is GP and today we're going to unbox and have a quick review of the VIVO Y81i. This phone was released last October and this is actually the light version of the Y81 that was released early this year. Ang difference lang naman nila ay ang Y81 ay may 32 gig of internal storage and 3 gig of RAM, while this one has only 16 gig of internal storage and 2 gig of RAM. And of course, the price. This is more affordable. Ang original price niya is $7,999, but last week it was cut down to $6,999. So, open na natin siya. So guys, I have the black version of the Y81i. Open na natin siya. Okay, may kasama na siyang case. Jelly case siya. And yung warranty card. And of course, yung phone. And ang SIM tray ejector. A micro USB cable. At ang charger. So, wala siyang kasamang headset, guys. Open na natin yung phone. Okay, guys. I really like the glossy finish sa likod niya, guys. It's made of plastic, pero hindi siya mukhang cheap. Maganda yung pagkagawa niya. And as you can see, there's no fingerprint scanner. But this one has a face unlock, which is it's not that secure compared to iris or fingerprint scanner. But yeah, itry natin siya. Mabilis naman siya, guys. I like it. So you just have to register your face when you set this up. And it's running a Funtouch OS 4.0 on top of Android Oreo 8.1. So latest siya, guys. So guys, meron siyang 3.5 earphone jack and a speaker here. Subukan natin yung speaker niya. Actually, guys, malakas yung speaker niya. For the display naman, it has a 6.22 Full HD Plus display. And as you can see here, yan. Meron siyang notch. Though I'm not really a fan of the notch, but everyone's using it. So, paganda na ng implementation. And for the rear camera, it has a 13 megapixel. Let's try it. Not bad. And for the front camera naman, it has a 5 megapixel selfie camera nila. Let's try it. Okay din siya, guys. And as I've said, this one has a 16 gig of internal storage and 2 gig of RAM. So you guys have more than enough space for you guys to download and install your application. Okay naman siya, guys. Actually, I really like it, you know, especially for its price. How about you guys? Would you consider buying this one? And if you have a gadget in mind that you want us to unbox or review, just comment down below, let us know. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time.